Most people bounce flat-footed and kill their knees. Rebounding isn't just jumping, it's about engaging your core and using the trampoline's recoil to do the work for you. Master these fundamentals and transform your cardio. Step 1. Start with proper foot placement. Stand centered on the trampoline with feet hip-width apart, knees slightly bent. Keep your weight in the balls of your feet, not your heels. This lets the mat do the work for you. Step 2. Engage your core before you bounce. Pull your navel toward your spine and maintain a neutral spine throughout. This stabilizes your body and prevents lower back strain during the workout. Step 3. Begin with gentle bounces. Don't jump high, just let the trampoline's recoil lift you. Your legs should stay relaxed, absorbing impact through your calves and quads. Keep bounces small for the first minute to warm up. Step 4. Progress to dynamic movements. Add arm swings, jog in place, or perform side-to-side bounces. Keep intensity moderate. Aim for 20 to 30-second intervals with 10-second rest periods. This builds endurance without overloading joints. Pro tip: never lock your knees at the top of the bounce. This stops the trampoline's natural rhythm and wastes energy. Keep a slight bend throughout. What's your favorite rebounding move? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more fitness fundamentals. Visit Sikho.ai.